Okay, glad you're back. This is part 2 of the 2021 kickoff collab with One Big Happy Family. This is another dish that I made that you guys probably saw me eat. This is the sautéed spinach, right? I wanted to make sure that you guys saw how I made this, so I put a little quick video together so you can see it. Enjoy it. It tastes good. Stay tuned. Hey, this is Shrashira. That's the best elevator music I ever heard. Alright, so for dish number 2, side dish for this 2021 kickoff collaboration with One Big Happy Family, I'm making some sautéed spinach. So I have my spinach here, right? As much or as little as you want. Add some butter. You have some garlic. It's just that simple. That's all you need. So let's saute this. So we have our pot here. We're going to add a little bit of olive oil here. You can use any oil that you want. You know, it's completely up to you. And we're going to add our garlic. Okay, let's get the garlic in. Okay. And we're going to mix that up. Saute the garlic. Now, when you smell the garlic as it's toasting, once you smell it, it's time to add the spinach. I'm not talking about, hey, there's garlic. I mean, when you smell cooked garlic, there's a difference. Takes about 30 seconds. So now let's add the spinach. Spinach goes in. Now the spinach has been washed. Right? Make sure you wash your produce and your vegetables. Now you just want to mix this in the garlic. It's going to wilt, right? Make sure it all gets covered in the garlic and the oil. Now you can see how it's wilted down. So at this point you want to add a little bit of salt and pepper. Add a little pepper. Don't go crazy with it. And then we're going to add a little bit of salt. Again, do not go crazy with the salt. You just want to make sure it's seasoned. If you wanted to, you could totally add, chicken broth to this. You could. Vegetable stock, beef stock, whatever, it's up to you. So now at this point, because it's pretty much done, now we're going to add our butter. Add a knob of butter to that, let that melt. You just mix it in and melt it. See how vibrant green that is? See how it turned dark green? That's what you want. You're not frying it, right? You're sauteing it. So once the butter's melted, you're done. It's just that simple, right? There it is. Turn the heat off. Now let's get this plated up.